This here, folks, is the rarest plant in the world. Only 3 of them are left in all of North America. And if you look closely, you can see the lines on the roots there. Yeah, that's why it's so rare. Anyway, you guys want to see some frogs? Yeah! Okay, let me see what I can find. Oh, dang it! Squished him.
Oh!
Anyway, forget about frogs. I bet what you guys want to see is some tadpoles, huh?
Maybe we should not touch the wildlife.
Yeah. Nonsense. I know how much you guys want to see this. No, we don't want to see that. Found one! Leeches! Get me out of here! Okay, let's go. I've almost cleared a way through.
Bro, the trail's literally right here.
Oh, yeah. I knew that. No, I never really did like trees.
What?
What? Every year, millions of tons of waste are just thrown into our beautiful environment. It's sad to think about. It really is. Well, that brings us to the end of our tour, but thank you for choosing Trailblazer Nature Company, and have a nice day.
Okay, bye.